Ramjit Palmer.
Mr. Speaker, thank you for the opportunity to speak on the Remuneration Authority Amendment Bill's second reading. As we have heard, the Minister has addressed various issues raised by the opposition. The main issue is that this issue cannot be addressed without changing the legislation. The criteria, actually the sole criteria that will determine a Member of Parliament's pay increase has been debated. And the sole criteria in the bill is the right one, which I will address later on, Mr. Speaker. The Remuneration Authority Amendment Bill is to amend the Remuneration Authority Act 1977 to require the Remuneration Authority to solely consider public sector wage movements when determining Members of Parliament's salary increases. Mr. Speaker, I'm taking a short call on this bill to say that I'm fully supportive of this bill. This bill is about fairness. This bill actually helps Remuneration Authority so that Member of Parliament salaries assessed under Section 16(2) of the Members of Parliament Act 2013 can move up in line with the public sector. And this bill also sets the frequency of these adjustments. It also clarifies for the Remuneration Authority if there is no movement in the average earnings in the public sector. There has been criticism from other parties of rushing this through. Mr. Speaker, this bill has been thoroughly thought through, and it is time we address this issue and not just talk about this issue. The criticism from members of public normally is that Members of Parliament pay increases are higher than the public sector. So now this bill is to address that issue. And as we know that this bill is going through all stages today under urgency, Mr. Speaker, this is because there is no justification seen in the Remuneration Authority's determination of approximately 3.5% increase to Member of Parliament's salary. Mr. Speaker, there were some comments from the opposition about some positions in the public sector and even private sector being very highly paid. Mr. Speaker, those salaries are decided by the market. Why will people work in a country if they are not rewarded for the value they add to the organization? We need to be able to recruit and retain good people. But Mr. Speaker, this bill is not about their salary. This bill is about addressing Member of Parliament's salary increases only. Mr. Speaker, the government must ensure that people are listened to and are treated fairly, and that is what this bill is about. We must lead by example, and that is why I support this bill and look forward to contributing more on later stages. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.